So what's the easiest, most affordable way to get your first 10 sales on Shopify? In this video, I'm going to uncover a really good idea that I had, and I'm going to do this live so you can follow along in what is the best way to do this. Now, this way is basically free, and I say basically because I am going to be using a couple of tools here just to make it easier for myself to showcase the idea. And I'm kind of exploring the idea live, just in a raw, authentic way here. But the way that we're going to do this is by utilizing TikTok and free content, right? So posting content is absolutely free, and it's something people still neglect doing when starting their business. But what you should be doing is definitely posting about your product, and the best way to post about your product is to follow what already works and has proven to get sales. So for example, I got these notebooks here that I ordered from AliExpress. They took about 10 days to get to my house. That's not very long. So I'm sure you can wait 10 days to get your product, right? Now, these are pretty cool. And I ordered them because I thought they were cool and I thought that they could sell pretty well. And I love notebooks, I love journaling, and journaling overall has actually a lot of benefits. So it is a problem-solving product in a way. So that's the first step. Find a problem-solving product on AliExpress or wherever you want, maybe even Amazon, and order it to start making content. Then what you can do is we can actually just go to TikTok. We can go to TikTok and literally just type notebook. Type the name of your product, right? And what we're gonna do is we're simply gonna find a video that's viral that we can replicate. That's literally it. So, for example, here is a saving money notebook. So this is a very popular product, I guess. 100 envelope saving challenge. So this one is for actually saving money, which again solves a problem, right? People have a tough time saving money, so this notebook helps them. Okay, so I'm actually gonna switch the keyword to journal because it's gonna be a little bit easier. Now, this is a great video right here, 4.1 million views, and it says you're signed to start journaling in 2024. This is a great hook that we could easily use for this, right? So why try to reinvent the wheel? This video already has 4 million views, so it's proven to have a viral script and a viral just overall composition. So we want to copy it and we want to say exactly what they're saying. You're signed to start journaling in 2024. And before you say whatever, okay, that you had bad, okay, this is kind of too fast for me to read right now. I can't even read it very well, but you could slow it down and just follow this step by step, right? Follow this exactly. Now this has a lot of really cool stickers and whatnot, but it's still an ad ultimately for these moleskin notebooks, right? So you could just use your notebook instead. Again, apply this to whatever product you're using. Now, here's a really interesting thing I want to showcase because I'm testing out this app called Minta Video, which is super cool. And these guys are actually my friends now, and they asked me to showcase this because it's actually extremely powerful. It's an app by Reconvert, which is one of the best OG apps for upselling on your Shopify store. And what it does is it allows you to automatically post videos to your feeds. So super clutch, right? That's why I love this strategy, because what we're gonna do is copy this exact video, right? Because we know that it works. And then what we'll do is we'll use Minta then on our Shopify stores to post it to all of our social medias. So we can literally post to 4 different platforms the same video. So that way you're literally 4xing the reach of your video for free. Again, guys, this is absolutely free. This app has a free plan, so definitely make sure you check it out. It's in the description. It also allows you to create video ads. So it's also an AI video maker all in one, which is super cool. They actually have a free plan too, which is a pay-as-you-go plan. And I love when apps have that because it just allows people that have a lower budget to start quicker. And Shopify is also $1 a month for a whole month right now. So, these are great times to be starting an e-commerce business because you can literally start for absolutely free. Like I said, the steps here are you order your product, you search on TikTok for viral videos for similar products. Step 3 is you copy the script, the layout, the structure of the video, and you post your video. Then step 4, you download Minta, and then you actually start reposting all of that content into all of your other social medias. And if you do this for literally 30 days straight by copying some of the best content on TikTok, right? Don't try to reinvent the wheel unless you're like super experienced at TikTok. Then I guarantee you're going to make your first 10 sales. Talk to your customers. People will start asking you questions. People will start engaging with your content. And then the more you're starting to post, the more your videos will start catching virality. They'll start getting some momentum. And that's the beauty of TikTok. So I highly suggest that every single one of you try this strategy out. Like, don't wait. Don't watch another video. Like, just start with this exact blueprint that I just gave you. Again, step 1, find a product on AliExpress, Amazon, and order it. Step 2, find viral videos that already have worked for others for a similar product and copy them. Step 3, actually make the videos by copying the script, the structure, and post them on TikTok. Step 4, get Minta and repost all of that stuff to all your other social media pages. And then step 5 is just rinse and repeat. Do this over and over again every single day. Commit to making one video at least every day. And before you know it, you'll get some sales. Now, how you scale beyond that, that's where my specialty really is. Honestly, my specialty is not in launching the business. It's really in taking the business to the next level through our agency, Academy. That's more or less our main focus. It's just growth. We're a growth agency. And that's really about it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that it gave you a really simple blueprint to follow. Even though this isn't the fanciest video out there, I do believe that this blueprint is extremely valuable. So make sure that you follow it and take it seriously. And also make sure you check out Minta in the description. Shout out to those guys and shout out to Reconvert. Excited to introduce you guys to them more and more, as in my opinion, they are one of the best apps for increasing your average order value. And they're always on the cutting edge of e-commerce, which is amazing. So shout out to the team at Reconvert and Minta. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.